This tasty and refreshing candy corn shooters is a perfect drink to prepare at family gatherings. Learn how to make it with our helpful guide. In a pot, add the water and pineapple jello, then stir to dissolve. Put it on a stove and bring to a boil, stirring continuously. Then, remove from the heat and add in the limoncello liqueur and water before whisking to combine. Pour into small glasses until half full, then transfer to a tray and let it chill until set. In another pot, add the water and orange jello. Stir to dissolve. Put it on a stove and bring to a boil, stirring continuously. Remove from the heat, add in the orange-flavored vodka and water, then whisk to combine. Pour on top of the chilled first jello layer and let it set in the chiller for 30 minutes. Serve with whipped cream, garnished with colored sugar. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.